This flew in front of the moon today in Florida. Here's another image of it. Right here, it is a ship. And what it looks like is, it looks like there might have been like little black cubes that assembled themselves and created this, but I'm not sure. Here's what it looked like in one point. Check that timing out up there. Look at those numbers. It's perfect. Love it. Love it. Look at this. So let's look at this, you all. This is what Niurka Lopez captured while filming the moon in Florida today. This is the shape that it took on, and I'm going to do this so you can see it. When it starts moving, I want you to see how it like transformed itself, you all, as it was up there. You may say, Gina, honey, it looked like, no. If it was an insect, it wouldn't look like that. Watch it. So look at this. Watch it. Watch it, you all. You see? Look at that. That's wild. That is so wild. Look at that. It's an excellent capture. Thank you, Niurka, honey, because there is something there, and a lot of people have been seeing stuff in the sky. There's something going on. Thank you. Love you.